Welcome to LaundryVerse. In about 5 minutes, you'll be signed up, set up, and looking at your own dashboard. No credit card, no hardware needed yet. Open laundryverse.app/auth/signup in any browser. You can sign up with Google for a one-tap path, but for this walkthrough, we'll use email so you can see every field. Type your full name, your shop's business name if you have one, your email, and a password of at least 8 characters. Tick the Terms and Privacy box, then click Start Free Trial. We send a verification link to your email. Check your inbox, including spam. Click the link to log in automatically. If it doesn't arrive, hit Sign Up again with the same email for a fresh one. After verifying, you'll land on the How Do You Manage Sales screen. This is the most important choice in onboarding. You can't switch paths later without contacting support, so read both options. Use LaundryVerse POS is the fresh start path. We create your first store, give you a catalog to choose from, and set up standard payment types. Pick this if you're new to digital POS or moving from pen and paper. Import from LaundryVerse brings your stores, items, customers, and receipts across in one go. We cover this path in detail in the Importing from LaundryVerse video. For this walkthrough, click Use LaundryVerse POS. Type your store name. This is the name your customers will see on receipts. You can change it anytime from the dashboard. Pick one or more item templates. These are pre-built laundry catalogs covering common shop setups. Tap Preview on any template to see exactly which items and prices are included. Don't worry about getting it perfect. Every item name, price, and category is editable later from the dashboard. Click Create Store. We'll set up your tenant, items, and payment types in a few seconds. You'll land on the Getting Started page in your dashboard. This is your home base for the rest of setup. The checklist is split into 3 phases. Today, focus only on activation, 3 steps to your first transaction. Customize and optimize can wait until after you've seen the workflow. You're signed up and ready. Next, watch setting up the POS to register a device, log in with a PIN, and open your first shift.